looking for the hardest and the fastest. Let's make some noise, folks. This is his song choice. This is what he wants to talk about. Justin Rickey, raise your hand. That's the decoy out there, folks. He's the one that's going to take the hard hit and a bow. Justin Rickey is going to give the command when he's ready. He's jumping, getting the dog ready to go. Make some noise.